So you start facing the back. The pole is vertical. You're stripped. There will be 4 clicks, and on the 4th click, you're going to put your left hand on the bottom tape, which is actually the one on the top right now. Then it starts with a 4-count sunrise. The silk actually moves to the right. So 1, 2 is up, 3, 4. If you are an A, you will do this rowboat over the right shoulder that turns you. That looks like this. 5, 6 is down in front. 7 is flip your right hand. 7, 8. So those are the counts if you're an A. Turn back around. If you're a B, after you do the sunrise, you'll hold 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you'll start your turn on 9. 10 will be to the front. 11 is that pop. And then 12 lands to right slam. After that, everyone's going to do a carve on the bottom. 13, 14. Then on 15, 16, you're going to push out to the right 45, and your right hand comes to the bottom tape. This is the green chunk. This is the part you said was the fun part. So the first time you do it, you are already out here. 1 is where you'll start the motion. Push down with your left hand, pop it up, catch it on 2. Your right hand should be up into the silk just a little bit. There we go. 3 is going to be like a drop spin in the 45. And then 4 is like completing the drop spin, but your left hand is money. Then 5, 6, you're going to continue that rotation in the 45 plane. 7 is motion down in pencil. 8 is right slam. Then the velocity increases. You grab behind on and. 9 is left slam. Then bring it in the toaster up in front on 10. Drop spin for 11, 12. This is the orange chunk. It is the verse, so it starts for the first time right on the trombone melody. Starts with a double butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now carve on the top. 9, 10. Flip your right hand so that it's thumb down. Carve on the bottom. 11, 12. You're going to walk to the back with the pole flat and motorcycle. That's 13, 14. Then you're going to do a rowboat over your right shoulder. 15, 16. Make sure you look over that right shoulder. Now you're going to continue the silk moving up and do a pop. You catch silk down on 2. Then it continues moving so the silk is up on 3, 4, down on 4. Now the silk is up to the end zone on 5 to get you turned. It's down in front on 6. Now we're going to continue that sunrise motion. 7, 8. And on 8, put your hand at the bottom tape. Now you're going to do an infinity carve on the bottom. You want to shift your weight just a little bit. 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we're going to do a Z carve, and you really want to move hips and feet on this one. That is 13, 14, 15, and then on 16, you flip that left hand so that you're set up for pole hits. This is the blue chunk. It is the main chorus. You should start in this position, and it's A-B work. So the A's are going to do pole hits on 1, 2. Then the B's do pole hits on 3, 4. Make sure you catch it good and strong. Then all of us do just a real small pop toss in our right hand on 5, 6. End with the silk down, thumb up. Then you do this upside down windmill. 7, 8, 9, 10. If you will completely stop the motion on 6, squeeze that right hand, then just think about the top stopper leading. I think you'll be fine on this. It's a little awkward at first, but you'll be good. You end in right slam on 11, 12. You just have those 2 counts to get set. We're going to carve on the bottom. 13, 14. Then we're going to push out to the right 45 on 15, 16. So the very last section, we'll call this the coda. You only do it one time. It is 9 counts. You're starting extended to the right 45. You're going to pop up on 1, but pop a little farther so that you catch with the silk down on 2. Then let the silk keep going so that it's up behind you on 3, down in front on 4. Toaster turn, step with your left foot across. 5, 6, 7, then 8, continue that rotation. And 9, pull it under your arm with a pose on the end.